Welcome to the System Clinic. In today's session, we are examining 20 powerful vegetables and how each one interacts with the human body. This is not about trends or diet culture, this is about physiology, biochemistry, and system support. Let's begin. Broccoli is rich in sulforaphane, a compound known to activate detoxification enzymes in the liver. It supports cellular repair, reduces oxidative stress, and contributes to protective mechanisms against chronic disease. It also provides vitamin C and fiber for immune and digestive support. When you eat broccoli, your liver is better able to detoxify harmful substances, your digestion improves, and your body gets antioxidant protection that supports overall health. Spinach contains iron, magnesium, and natural nitrates that improve blood circulation and oxygen delivery. It supports muscle performance, cardiovascular efficiency, and red blood cell production, while its antioxidants help reduce inflammation. Eating spinach increases your energy, helps your muscles work more efficiently, and supports healthy blood pressure and oxygen transport. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in the body. This nutrient supports vision, immune defense, and skin integrity. Carrots also contain fiber that promotes gut health and helps stabilize blood sugar levels. When you eat carrots, your vision improves, your skin stays healthy, and your gut functions more efficiently. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant linked to reduced cardiovascular risk and prostate health support. They also provide vitamin C and potassium, contributing to vascular balance and heart function. Eating tomatoes supports your heart, protects cells from damage, and helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Cucumbers are composed primarily of water and contain antioxidants that support hydration and kidney function. Their natural compounds may also contribute to healthier skin and connective tissue. When you eat cucumbers, your body stays hydrated, your skin looks healthier, and kidney function is supported. Onions contain quercetin, a flavonoid that supports immune modulation and reduces systemic inflammation. They also assist cardiovascular health by improving cholesterol balance and promoting healthy blood vessel function. Eating onions can reduce inflammation, support your heart, and help your immune system respond efficiently. Bell peppers are exceptionally high in vitamin C, which strengthens immune response and supports collagen production. Their carotenoids contribute to eye health and help combat oxidative stress. When you eat bell peppers, your immune system strengthens, your skin and connective tissue benefit, and your eyes stay healthy. Garlic contains allicin, a sulfur compound known for antimicrobial and cardiovascular benefits. It supports blood pressure regulation, cholesterol balance, and immune defense mechanisms. Eating garlic helps protect your heart, supports healthy blood pressure, and boosts your immune defense. Kale is a nutrient-dense leafy green packed with vitamin K, calcium, and antioxidants. It supports bone strength, detoxification pathways, and inflammation control within the body. When you eat kale, your bones are stronger, your body detoxifies more efficiently, and inflammation is reduced. Beetroot contains natural nitrates that enhance blood flow and oxygen utilization. It supports heart health, exercise performance, and healthy blood pressure regulation. Eating beetroot improves circulation, increases exercise endurance, and helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Cabbage contains glucosinolates that assist liver detoxification and cellular protection. Its fiber improves gut microbiome diversity and supports efficient digestion. When you eat cabbage, your digestion is smoother, your gut bacteria thrive, and your liver detoxifies effectively. Cauliflower is rich in choline, which plays a role in brain function and liver metabolism. It also contains antioxidants that reduce inflammation and promote cellular repair. Eating cauliflower supports brain health, liver function, and reduces inflammation in your body. Zucchini provides potassium and vitamin C, contributing to cardiovascular stability and immune strength. Its fiber supports digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. When you eat zucchini, your heart and blood pressure are supported, your immune system strengthens, and digestion improves. Eggplant contains nazeanin, an antioxidant that protects brain cell membranes from oxidative damage. It also contributes to cholesterol balance and heart health. Eating eggplant helps your brain stay healthy, your heart is protected, and cholesterol is balanced. Okra is high in soluble fiber, which helps regulate blood glucose levels and supports digestive function. It may also assist in reducing inflammation and improving heart stability. When you eat okra, your blood sugar levels are steadier, digestion improves, and inflammation decreases. Lettuce, particularly darker leafy varieties, provides folate and vitamin K, supporting DNA synthesis, blood clotting regulation, and bone metabolism. Its hydration content contributes to kidney support. Eating lettuce supports bone health, proper blood clotting, and keeps you hydrated. Celery contains natural compounds that may help relax blood vessel walls, supporting healthy blood pressure levels. It also assists fluid balance and electrolyte regulation. When you eat celery, your blood pressure may be better regulated, fluid balance improves, and your cardiovascular system benefits. Pumpkin is rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants that strengthen immune defense and support skin repair. It also contributes to stable blood sugar control. When you eat pumpkin, your immune system is stronger, your skin repairs faster, and blood sugar stays more stable. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates for sustained energy release. They are rich in fiber and vitamin A, supporting gut integrity, immune function, and metabolic balance. Eating sweet potatoes gives you lasting energy, supports gut health, and strengthens immunity. Green beans contain vitamin K and antioxidants that support bone density and protect cells from oxidative stress. Their fiber aids digestion and supports metabolic health. When you eat green beans, your bones are stronger, your digestion improves, and your body protects itself from oxidative damage. The human body is a system of interconnected organs: cardiovascular, digestive, neurological, immune, and metabolic. What we consume directly influences how these systems function. Vegetables are not simply side dishes. They are biochemical tools that support detoxification, circulation, immunity, and cellular repair. At the System Clinic, we focus on understanding the body, not guessing, not trending, but learning how to support it intelligently. If this breakdown was valuable, subscribe for more system-based health education. Because when you understand the system, you protect the system. I'll see you in the next session.